The police on a number of occasions have made calls for communities to get involved in the fight against crime. But even though the cooperation with the police has seen the capturing of notorious criminals, a new trend is arising. Just last week, two men were brutally beaten by residents of North Rheinveld after they attempted to rob a well-known barber. After the sound trashing, the men were handed over to the police where they were both rushed to the hospital. At the weekend, another act of vigilante justice was meted out towards two young men, one of whom was shot and killed, allegedly by a resident of Pearl East Bank, Demerara. In light of these incidents, acting commander of A Division Marlon Chapman says that only the justice system has a right to prove a man innocent or guilty of an offense.
Our thing is that we have courts in this country, and if someone commits a crime, the police investigate. Once the evidence is forthcoming, that person will be charged and the court will decide guilt or innocence, not civilians taking the law into their own hands and beat and, in the other case, shoot and kill people.
The commander further stated that even though he understands the need for communities to protect themselves against criminal elements, vigilante justice will not be tolerated. He says there is a limit to how far vigilance can be taken.
The public has a right to assist with the curator. And if in any event there is a citizen arrest, then that arrest, the persons arrested must be handed over to the police. The citizens have no right to beat anybody upon arrest, whether suspected of a crime or not. That is wrong and it will not be tolerated.
The commander gave the assurance that the shooter and those involved in this crime will be brought to justice. Javone Vickerie, HGP Nightly News.